Welcome to our tutorial on how to add an event to your family group on Gmail. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to keep everyone in your family informed about important dates and activities. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Step 2. At the top of the screen, tap on your profile picture. Step 3. Now, select Manage your Google account. Step 4. Tap on People and Sharing. Step 5. Under your family on Google, find and tap on Manage your family group. Step 6. Scroll down until you see the Google Family Calendar. Step 7. Tap on the plus icon to create a new event. Step 8. Type in the details of your event. Step 9. Finally, click on the Save button located at the top right corner of the page. And there you have it. You've successfully added an event to your family group on Gmail. Now everyone in your family will stay up to date with the latest happenings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.